In this video, you will explore the getSelected keyword in Avo Assure and learn how it is used to instruct the Avo Assure client to get the item name from the drop-down list which is currently selected, and store the value in an output variable when automating SAP processes. Begin by adding the first test step by selecting airline _ dropdown from the element name dropdown. Select getSelected as the keyword to create an output variable, and enter result within curly brackets in the output field. Then, add another test step where you select it generic as the element name, and display variable value as the descriptive keyword. Make sure to enter the input value as result in curly brackets. The input value for the second step is the same as the output value in the first step. Save the designed test step and debug them. As the designed test steps are debugged, you will see the process of fetching the currently selected item name from the drop-down list being automated. In this example, the item name is JL Japan Airlines.